In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Small Business Account benefits. Now, in order to get the benefits of a business account, you must activate and manage the tools that is integrated into your small business checking account. So if you already have account added in an account to the mobile banking application of Chase, what you can do completely depends upon you, but however, there are a lot of benefits and tools as I just said. Firstly, you'll be able to collect payments immediately. You can simply activate the QuickAccept tool, which is a built-in tool within the mobile application to accept credit card payments to your phone. So you can simply head over to the more options on the bottom right and find the option called QuickAccept. Secondly, you'll be able to send in digital invoices directly from your application as well. Apart from the payment collection, you'll be able to streamline your operations and expenses, such as you'll be able to issue the employee cards as well as set your spending limits. Lastly, one of the major benefits people get is you'll be able to waive off the monthly service fee of $15 if you maintain a minimum balance of $2,000 within your business checking account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.